dear kids. Today we are going to learn patterns in English. We are going to learn standing line. This is a standing line which runs from top to the bottom. This pen over here is a standing line. I am standing and that makes me a standing line.
Hello and welcome all of you. Today, what are we going to learn in English? We are going to learn about different patterns. I have two pencils.
So, two friends have come to meet us today in the class. Let's see who they are. Okay, that is Rohan. Yes, and one more friend is there. She's Riya.